Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil. Today I will be discussing Unit 5 LPC 2148 ARM CPU. The contents which will be discussed in this session are functional features of interrupt controller, RTC, USB and UART. Interrupt controller. The vectored interrupt controller VIC accepts all of the interrupt request inputs. Then it categorizes them as fast interrupt request FIQ, vector interrupt request and non-vectored IRQ. FIQ has the highest priority. The fastest possible FIQ latency is achieved when only one request is classified as FIQ. Then vectored IRQs, that is vectored interrupt requests, have middle priority. The VIC combines the request from all the vectored and non-vectored interrupt requests to produce interrupt request signal, that is IRQ signal, to the ARM processor. Next we'll see about RTC. The RTC is real-time clock. RTC stands for real-time clock, which is designed to provide a set of counters to measure time when normal or ideal operating mode is selected. The special features of real-time clock are as follows. Can use either the RTC dedicated 32 kHz oscillator input or clock derived from the external crystal oscillator input. Dedicated power supply pin can be connected to a battery or the main 3.3 volts. Measures the passage of time to maintain a calendar and a clock. Provides seconds, minutes, hours, day of month, year, day of week or day of year. Next we will see about USB. USB stands for Universal Serial. The USB is a 4-wire serial bus that supports communication between a host and a number of peripherals. That is, maximum of 127 peripherals can be attached to Universal Serial Bus. The special features of Universal Serial Bus, that is USB controller, are as follows. Fully compliant with USB 2.0 full speed specification. Allows dynamic switching between CPU controlled and DMA modes. Double buffer implementation for bulk and isochronous endpoints. Scalable realization of endpoints at runtime. Next we will see about UART. The LPC 2148 contains two UARTs in addition to standard transit and receive data lines. The special features of UART are as follows. 16B receive and transmit FIFOs, that is first in first out. Register location conforms to 16C 550 industry standards. Transmission FIFO control enables implementation of software flow control on both UARTs. Built-in fractional baud rate generator covering wide range of baud rates without a need for external crystal of particular values. Thank you.